Viewers, today in this video I have two updates about the ongoing conflict in Ethiopia. First is about high alert warning in Ethiopia by FCDO due to the war, and second update about the Tigray Defense Force big claims about capturing hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers and about ongoing war in Amhara region. Well, first of all, as you know that there is a military conflict ongoing in the north of Ethiopia. Military clashes are now occurring in Tigray, Amhara, and Afar regional states. Viewers, the conflict has potential to escalate quickly and with little warning. The Foreign, Commonwealth, and Development Office advises against all travel to Tigray and within 30 km of its borders with Amhara and Afar regional state, and to specific areas in Amhara and Afar where fighting is likely. Viewers, the FCDO advises against all but exceptional travel to the rest of Amhara and Afar regions because of the risk of the conflict spreading to new areas without prior warning. If you are in the vicinity of military activity and you cannot live safely, you should stay indoors, away from windows, and remain alert to developments that would enable you to live safely. Viewers, the Foreign, Commonwealth, and Development Office advises against all travel to the whole of Tigray regional state and within 30 km of its borders with Amhara and Afar regional state. The following areas of Amhara regional state: the whole of North Vallo zone, the whole of Wag Hamra zone, Imbasal and Desi Varidas of South Vallo zone, Ibnat, Kemikam, Legant, Furta, Fogira, Gaint Voridas of South Gondar zone, Adi Arke, Beyida, Dibarak, Dabet, Vigera, Bilisa, Janamora, Beyida, Sanja, Voridas of North Gondar zone, and the following areas of Afar regional state: the whole of Zone 4, Chifra Borida in Zone 1, and Dalol, Kuniba, Abala, and Migala in Zone 2, and the four Voridas: Akubu, Vantavo, Jikavo, and Lare of Noyer zone, and the Jori Vorida of the Agunak zone in Gambela region, the West Voliga zone and Nikmate town in East Voliga in the Oromia region, the Pave, Guba, Dangur, Dibati, Bul and Voridas in the Benishungul Gumaz region, the Nogob, Jarar, Shabile, Korahe, and Dolol zones of the Ethiopian Somali region, within 10 kilometers of the border with South Sudan and within 100 kilometers of the Ethiopian border with Somalia and Kenya in the Afdar and Liban zones of Ethiopia's Somali region, and within 10 kilometers of the border with Sudan and the other parts of the Kenyan border, with the exception of principal roads. The FCDO advises against all but essential travel to areas of Afar region within 10 kilometers of the border with Eritrea, with the exception of tourist sites close to the main roads and open border crossing with Eritrea and the main roads to these border crossing. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force is claiming huge victories against Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies about the ongoing war in the Amhara region. According to the reports we received, Tigray Defense Force has captured hundreds of soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force during the ongoing war in the Amhara region, and photos and videos from Tigray Defense Force regarding this claim have also been shared. Captured Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers by Tigray Defense Force can be seen in these photos and videos, and the photo you can see on your screen. In this picture, you can see some Ethiopian National Defense Force captured soldiers, while the video we received I will share with you in the end. From this picture, you can get a good idea of the age of the captured soldiers. Tigray Defense Force has claimed that the Ethiopian National Defense Force has sent a month's training after recruiting people from the country to fight in the war, and the result is now in front of you. At that time, wars have intensified in Amhara region. War is entering new areas without any warning. Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering more other areas in the Amhara region claimed by Tigray Defense Force and Tigray government spokesperson Getachew Reda. Viewers, things are out of control. Nothing can be said about the future of Ethiopia at this time. And now you can watch the video of soldiers being caught. This video is new according to the reports we have received so far. More information is being received about this video. Let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.